Hello?
Podcast Network Asia.
Oo naman, hindi naman pwedeng tawag lang ng laman. Tapos isipin na lang natin.
Call of the inside.
Oh, hindi. Call of the flesh.
Laman ni.
Laman. Laman is also flesh.
Okay, fine.
Ito na naman tayo. Kaya episode 100 na tayo ha. Nagtatranslate pa rin ako.
Hi, I'm Jeric,
And I'm Apple.
and you're listening to the Langaspix Podcast.
Join us every week as we talk about family, faith, and everything in between.
Now powered by Podcast Network Asia and Podmetrics.
Hello mga langga. Welcome to our 100th. 100th
100th. Ding, 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 ding. Congratulations.
episode. Congratulations for making it here. And we are now on the 3-digit episode realm.
Congratulations, mga langga. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for journeying with us. You know what? Completely random. Mga langga, if you're listening right now and you've been with us over the past 100 episodes, whenever you've started, but if you've already listened to all 100, do reach out. Let us know.
Langaspix@gmail.com o kaya dun sa mga socials namin. Available po kami. Sumasagot din kami sa TikTok kahit di kami nag-upload.
Yeah, we would really love to hear from you. Okay, so this episode, we're taking a break from our Love and Responsibility series. And we're just taking a quick break. Bye.
Break lang. Light lang usapan na to, tsaka fun to. Gusto pa rin namin mag-add ng value kahit fun yung episode.
Yes, I feel
Because
so fun.
It's
Char.
Feb. It's Feb.
It's
Feb
a love
ibig
month.
na. Oo.
It's a love month.
Marami
Time for
magde-date.
Valentine's.
Time for gastos.
Time for chikahan na lang.
So we want to be able to discuss these 100 questions to ask before you get married. Ano bang history nitong question na to?
When you were dating kasi mga langga, Jeric found this list somewhere and he would bring it to our dates. And
Yes, this is based on Don't You Get Married Until You Read This. Yung book na yun by Corey Donaldson. Just to give acknowledgement.
So what we're going to be doing this episode, we're just literally going to run through
100.
the questions.
Bear with us.
Yes. Maybe you may hear us comment on some of them, maybe not. But that's just maybe some questions you haven't thought of asking before.
Literally mga langga, pinrint ko to nun, tapos dinadala ko sa mga days namin. Mga 2 or 3 lang. Tapos, kasi madadali na may mga tanong, but it's very important
Some of
to
them
ask.
na yes or no nga lang eh.
Especially kung tinitignan nyo yung mga langga nyo na yun talagang gusto mo maging langga panghabang buhay, di ba?
True.
So,
So here we go. Okay, so we're just literally just gonna run through them.
in different areas,
And
categories
they're
natin.
they're
Categorize
categorized.
natin yan.
Uh-uh.
So, ang unang category, syempre, yung pinaka hindi interesado ang lahat. Sex, romance, and love.
Super super direct to the point. Actually, the first question pa nga lang, sobrang direct to the point siya.
Talaga?
Oh, the first question is,
If we eliminated physical attraction from our relationship, tatanungin mo, what would be left?
yung milyones ko.
Wow! Yayamanin. Mga langga, yayamanin na po si Apple. Naka 100 episodes na kami. Ang dami na po
True.
naming Shopee affiliates, tsaka
True.
Lazada. Charot lang.
Wish ko
Wala
na.
akong gumagamit. Ano ba? Mga langga, hindi nyo man lang ginagamit yung mga link namin. Baka naman.
Question number 2. What is the best way for me to show that I love you?
So, pwedeng pumasok dyan yung love languages, no? May episode tayo about that.
Ooh, check it out.
Yeah.
Check it out. Number 3. If I put on weight, will that affect our relationship?
How? Pag
Interesting.
bumigat daw, paano daw makaka-affect? Mawawalan ba kayo ng desire sa isa't isa? Pwede kasi yung mga tanong na yun, no?
Totoo.
Maungunahan mo na. I think important to sa mga babae.
I think mga lalaki din, di ba?
Ay, hindi kami, okay lang, kahit dad-bad kami. Kayo yung maraming issue eh.
Depende.
Hindi, kayo mas marami kayong issue.
Grabe siya.
Dami yung hanash. Number 4 is it important for you to know that I'm a virgin?
Why or why not?
In line with our topic of love and responsibility, pwede pag-isipan nyo to, of course. Meron naman tinatawag na secondary virginity.
Yes.
Diba?
You
doesn't
do
mean-
not let you do not let your past or the past of your partner affect your future, especially when your desire is to be able to bring about a beautiful relationship.
Exactly.
Question number 5. What do I do that causes you to question my love?
Yung pag-add ng hindi ka nagpapaalam, ang pang-add to cart na hindi
Hinihintay ko nga yung honesty dyan eh.
Charot lang.
So, very nice na lang. Number 6.
What turns you off?
What turns me off? Mga add to cart. Charot. Number 7. How would our relationship be affected if for medical reasons we could not have children? Alam mo, masakit to when we answered this
Yes,
before.
when we answered this before, alam nyo, dahil sa tanong na to, napaisip kami, should be, magpapa-sperm count ba ako?
And for me to test my fertility as well.
Exactly. Bago tayo mag-usap ng engagement.
Because my mother had a history of
3 miscarriages?
Yes.
Tama ba?
2 miscarriages before me
miscarriages.
and
Okay.
one with my sister who had a twin. Kaya naging talagang siya sa akin. Number 8.
Do you think being in love means number 1, never having to say you're sorry? Number 2, always having to say you're sorry? Number 3, knowing when to say you're sorry? Or number 4, being the first to say I'm sorry?
Speaking of, we had an episode about this, diba?
Of course. Meron tayong mga languages of apology na pwede nyo pag-usapan. Paano kayo magsusorry?
True.
Sorry na.
Sorry na. Check it out, mga langga. Number 9, what are your views on pornography? Do you struggle with it? You may think it's such a weird question or such a cheesy question, but I really think this question should be asked, especially only when you have that foundation of trust already. And since you're already looking towards marriage, I think you would be able to approach this.
At saka mga langga, hindi to by order. Hindi ibig sabihin number 1 question yung
Agad-agad,
tatanungin
diba?
nyo. Ibig sabihin,
Nakakaloka.
hindi to by order. I think these are questions, the things that we're discussing, na dapat sana matanong nyo na bago pa kayo ikasal.
Exactly. Hindi siya magiging surprise.
Oo,
right?
hindi naman siya na, dapat number 1, hirap naman ito na agad tatanungin ko. Hindi. Pili kayo dito sa mga tatanungin yung ito. Number 10, of course, do you believe in marriage?
If you know, mga langga, if you've been with us for a while, we did a Simbis series where actually there is a question about the kind of view that you have towards the approach you have towards marriage. So do check it
Saving
out.
your marriage before.
Yeah, so check out the previous mga episodes about Simbis.
Okay,
so that's
so-
the first category.
Oh.
Second
Huwag
category.
natin masyadong bilis. Parang si Glock 9 na tayo.
Di na nga magtatagal.
Parang si Glock 9 na yung bilis natin eh. Okay, next category na tayo is the past. Nako, ito pag hinalungkat mo to. Pero,
The hugots.
ay
mga
nako,
ganyan.
oo, kailangan pag-usapan nyo to kasi hindi pwedeng kung kailan kasal na kayo, wala na atrasan, di ba?
True.
Yung pala may past utang.
Ay, Well.
Magugulat ka na lang, may kumakatok na, di ba?
Well.
Marites.
Number 11. Which childhood experiences influence your behavior and attitude the most? Naalala ko yun, alam mo, even when we got married, diba, biglang na lang lumabas yung mga ganun para sa akin. And I was like, nga naman, nung bata ako, kaya pala ganito ako. It's interesting. It's interesting how psychology
Sabi ko nga,
affects.
kaya pala napaka-confident ko kasi bata pa lang ako. Gustong-gusto ko na yung itsura ko sa salamin.
Oo, diba? Number 12.
Could any feelings of affection and romance be revived if you met a previous girlfriend or girlfriend even though you
Boyfriend or girlfriend?
Boyfriend or girlfriend? Ano ba sinabi ko?
Girlfriend or girlfriend?
Uy, haram. Even though you feel strongly committed to me.
Eh di swerte mo. Ikaw yung
Discuss
first
natin
ko.
yun. Tsaka na-discuss natin yun sa past ko, di ba?
True.
Mga ano lang naman sila, dalawa. So,
Number 13.
is
Is
there
there anything in your
past?
past that I should be aware
Ay,
of?
oo. Yan. Kailangan alam niyo yan. Kung ako sinabi ko kay Apple, dati akong artista eh.
Oo. I
Dati
had to
ako-
live with that. Na celebrity yung asawa ko.
Dati ako maarte sa buhay.
No, pero I mean, I don't believe that you have to say everything. But if you know that there's something in your past that will affect your
marriage.
relationship,
Oo,
you should
sabihin
talk
mo.
about it.
Sabihin mo, huwag mo itago.
True. Because it will come out. The truth will set you free, mga langga. Number
True.
14.
What did you dislike the most about your previous partners? Pwede rin naman business partner to. Di ba? Malay mo naman.
Pwede. Number 15. If your past boyfriends or girlfriends listed your most negative characteristics, what would they be? Yung pagiging celebrity niya.
Pagiging marupok.
Alas siya.
yung pagiging ko agad, asyumero. Yan. Do you keep letters and memorabilia from past relationships? Why or why not? That's
No.
number 16.
No. And in front of you, tinapon ko. Number
Ako,
17.
parang nandun pa rin yung akin.
Talaga, itatapon ko pag uwi
May
natin.
amoy, siguro amoy ano na yun. Amag.
Number 17. Are you comfortable continuing this relationship if there are things in my past that I'm not willing to share with you?
Oo.
Ay, this
Parang
is pretty
to,
heavy,
parang
ha?
heavy to. Parang
Heavy
hometown
siya.
cha-cha-cha ang plot nito.
La, 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 la,
Ay, sabihin.
Wait, ano ka ba? Episode 4 pa lang tayo.
Oo nga,
Huwag
pero
ganyan.
sinasabi ko lang sa'yo, may past kasi si Hong Bang Chan.
How much? Number 18, have you ever been involved in any criminal
Oy,
activities?
grabe naman to.
What were they?
Oh, pwede rin naman. Pag may mga criminal activities kayo, ibig sabihin, let's say, may justice is served na or na-convict. Why not? Sabihin mo naman, di ba? Hindi naman yung may double life ka, tapos may makakasalubong ka, parang, di ba, ang awkward nun. Dapat naman galing na sa'yo. Kung ikaw man yung kung ikaw man yung convicted or whatnot.
True. Eto number 19, medyo mabigat to. And it really have a lot of trust not to be able to open this up. But, to be completely honest, you need to be able to talk about because it will affect you. And your
especially
relationship.
if it's still ongoing.
Exactly. Number 19.
Did your mother or father abuse each other or you in any way, sexually, emotionally, or physically? Kasi kung yung hurt na yan, tuloy-tuloy pa din. Sinasabi natin ito sa Simbes.
Yes.
It will definitely affect your marriage. So make sure it's not it's not continuing or kailangan putol na. The abuse is not there.
Or you've made a decision to work through it.
Yes. And you and your partner will decide na, yes, this is a journey that we have to take
together.
Continuous yung healing process eh.
Number 20, have you ever been able to overcome a bad habit? What was it?
Farting.
Natural naman yun. It's farting at the wrong time.
I wasn't able to overcome it, so I just passed it on to my son.
Tatay made utot. Number 21.
Have you ever been violent in past relationships or you've been in one violent relationship?
This is also important to talk about because this
Abused by someone to
yes. And the trauma of it may also impact the way how you have your relationship with the current one.
Mga langga sa Simbis namin, caution flag to kasi pwedeng ma-affect nga yung current relationship. Pwede mo i-project na yung nangyayari before, mangyayari na naman.
True. So that's one more category. That's the past.
Okay. Next
category number 3.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ay, trust.
Tiwala.
Oh, right. That's correct. Number 22. Have there been times when you were uncomfortable with the way I behaved to the opposite sex? If so, when and what did I do? I remember I had moments like this, but that was because I did not know that you were so friendly.
Ah, okay.
Napaka-friendly.
Really? Parang ako to sa'yo eh. Ikaw yung may mga ganito eh. Marami kang maaligid na mga kalalakihan. Kasi initially, nung tayo parang first month pa lang natin together.
Ay, alam ko yung kasi we don't have to talk about it. Baka nakikinig sila. Pero,
grabe ko na. Sila, grabe mga langga, nakita nyo? Sila.
Oy, grabe
ganong
siya.
katindi si Christine Tara Duefante.
Over ka. Number 23.
What do I do now? Or what could I do in the future that would make you mistrust me?
Ooh. It's hard to think that the one that you love would ever betray you. But the one that you love does have the power to bring you pain. But you have to be able to decide whether certain levels would be enough for you to really take a step and think about your relationship, right?
Wow. Question number 24. Ito maganda.
Would you be comfortable transferring all your money into my bank account? We do that already.
We do it all the time.
We do it all the
But
time.
of course, pinag-usapan natin to noon.
Oo. Siyempre,
Sabi ko, ita-transfer ko kung wala naman. Imagination?
Ay, hindi naman. Grabe.
Napag-usapan natin yan. Sabi ko, hindi, isa, pagka kinasal tayo, ikakasal din ang ating mga bank account.
Truth. Number 25, who comes first, your spouse or your children?
Ay, oo. Mahalaga sa atin to sa aming
For
pamilya.
Jeric and I,
Sabi ko, kailangan natin tandaan always na
I was married first before I became a mom.
yan.
Whew. As hard as that is, by the way, it's not actually that easy to carry out.
Exactly.
Number 26 is
Ako muna yung dapat mong pakainin ng ulam bago sila.
Hindi. Kaya mo naman yun ka. Magluto ka na lang.
naman.
Number 26, is trust automatic until something occurs that takes it away? Or does it evolve over time?
Okay.
It's interesting because it'll reveal your psychology. Number
27, do you trust me with money?
Malaking caution flag din to. Malaking factor yun to see how your partner handles money.
True.
Number 28, is it permissible for us to open each other's mail?
Yeah, I have no issue.
Yeah.
Everything is logged in.
Truth.
So, You have access to my emails. Unless there's a surprise, I'd proactively deactivate it.
I know.
But you know the passwords on it, so anyway.
True. But then I don't go ahead and check it anyways because it always shows up.
Next category.
The future. Wow, back to the future. Number
Ang
29.
kinabukasan.
Ang bukas.
Ang kinabukasan.
Oh, okay, fine. Number 29. How are we different? Could this be a source of future conflict? Do our differences complement each other?
Actually, ang daming tanong nun, pero it's one area kasi.
Truth.
Kaya, ganun.
Number 30.
Do you anticipate maintaining your single lifestyle after we are married? That is, will you spend just as much time with your friends, family, and work colleagues? Why or why not?
Alam mo, every couple have their own dynamics and it's not for us to judge. Pero sobrang nagiging pet peeve namin ni Jeric.
Okay. Totoo. Kasi merong ganun.
Ay, sorry.
Ayan, pet peeve ko yan. Yung
paghulog
hindi marunong
ng phone.
maghawak ng phone.
Number 31. How did your family resolve conflicts when you were growing up? Oh, this is a major one for Jeric and I.
Do you approve or disapprove of that method in relation to question number 31?
Number 33.
Scottie Pippen, go.
What will you change or not change to resolve conflicts in your future family? This is again another major one for us, right?
34, is there anything about marriage that frightens you?
Oh, some people do have fear there in that particular area because of past experience. Number 35. Would you prefer to live in the city, the country, or by the beach?
Toroy naman by the beach.
Why?
Why?
La 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 la.
Gomjin.
Romantic.
Guy, mga langga ako, tapos ko na. Ito si Apple, hype lang yan. Di pa niya na, hanggang episode 3 pa lang siya as of this recording.
Excuse me, 3 episodes in one night with Kimchi John. Hello. Number 36. If I wanted to move away from our families for work, would you support me? Especially for mga overseas Filipino,
Yes,
right?
of course.
Major yan. Number 37.
How would it affect you if I travel on my own? Frequently to, number 1, visit my family. Number 2, earn income. Number 3, pursue a hobby. Or number 4, deal with stress.
Sumama man ako pag ganyan, especially pag Japan, tapos kakain tayo. Number 38. Suppose we are experiencing trouble in our marriage. In what order will you seek help from the following to resolve our conflicts? Number 1, lawyer.
Tore, lawyer agad.
Number 2, your parents.
May mamanahin, lawyer
Number
agad.
3, a brother or a sister. Number 4, a marriage counselor. Number 5, me. Number 6, a church leader.
And why?
And why? Interesting.
Number 39, how will you support my hobbies?
Except for your add to
parang
court.
hindi mo to nasagot noon.
Hindi.
Wala pa akong hobby. Mga nangga kasi when we started, wala pa akong hobbies eh.
Hindi, yung
Ngayon
hobby
lang
mo
naman.
dati, yung pagmamahal lang sa akin.
Habibi pala.
Habibi. Number 40, how do you feel about having our parents come to live with us if the need arises? Fascinating. Bilhin natin na sila ng bahay. Number 41.
Pero pag-usapan din natin yan.
Napag-usapan din natin yan. 41, is there anything
Sabi
you...
ko nung tent na lang. Joke lang.
Both sides, no? Grabe.
Number 41.
Pero mga langga ha, excuse me ha, Jeric and I love our in-laws. Sobra.
Kaya nga, bibili na lang namin sila ng bahay mismo.
Number 41. Is there anything you would regret not being able to do or accomplish if you married me?
Wow.
Uy, malaki sa akin to. When we first got married, I really had that. Na I felt I was holding you back. Anyways.
You did not. You were holding my wallet back. How will we schedule holidays with our families?
Uy,
Number 42 yan.
No. Number 42. Uy, sa ibang families, sa ibang couples, malaking factor yan ah.
Oh my gosh, naka 18 minutes na tayo ah.
True.
Pero tuloy-tuloy lang kami mga langga. Kasi marami to. Pwede nyo naman i-replay kung may mga na-miss kayong tanong. Pero,
or email nyo na lang kami. Send namin yung files inyo. Next. Question number 43 comes with a new category. The category is children.
Ay, kailan pag-usapan to?
Number 43. If we are unable to have children, should we adopt? There are
Dapat
some
may
people.
timelines eh.
There are some people who are talagang vehemently against adopting, and some
Yeah.
people are open.
May iba naman open pero walang date. Kaya minsan too late na. Ibig sabihin, magwo-worry na sila, how can we support this kid? Pareho na tayong 60 years old or 50 years old, tsaka pa lang tayo mag-a-adopt. So, pag-usapan nyo to as early as now.
Whether you're open, right? So if
Exactly.
you're ready, Number 44.
Do you anticipate raising our children, number 1, the same way you were raised, or number 2, completely differently from the way you were raised, or number 3, a mixture of both?
It's nice. It's interesting to discuss.
Yep.
Kasi
Yep.
maybe your parenting styles will completely differ from one another. Number 45. How long would you like to wait before having children? I think this is a major one, especially for parents or for couples our generation.
Or for women especially. Diba?
Right?
So, nag-usapan yan.
Number 46.
Other than formal schooling, what types of education will our children get? And how will they receive them?
Which is connected to number 47.
Kami Pokemon University.
Number 47. Are you open to homeschooling? I wasn't, but now that's
We're
what we're
doing it
doing. Number 48.
When we have children, who will change the diapers, heat the bottles, prepare the meals, do the housework, bathe the child, get up in the middle of the night when the child is crying, take the child to the doctor, buy clothing, and dress the child?
You know what? Completely random.
Parang
Now that we have,
lahat ikaw.
you know what? Now that we have 2 kids, my mind did not really expect how this would work out until now. Until we're finally here. It's fascinating.
I am still fascinated on how you can get up in the middle of the night until now.
At least I don't have to heat up bottles kasi it's just lift my shirt.
Dati kay Joseph, no? I had to heat bottles talaga.
No, that was only if I was not there. That's only if I was not there.
Mga langga kasi yung pangalawa naming anak, diretso siya sa baso, umiinom. Hindi na siya nag-skip na siya sa bottle.
Nag-skip talaga siya sa bottle. That's what work from home does. Number 49. What types of discipline would you implement to correct a child's or teenager's behavior? Were these practices you experienced, or are they new ones you've developed on your own?
I think I'm still learning this.
You and I were still learning. I don't think parents stop learning, right? Yeah, but it's an interesting discussion. This in itself, mga langga, will take one whole day, I think.
True. Okay, in the next 20 minutes, we'll try to cover
The other
the
section.
other half. We'll be right back.
Hey, Joe and Rika here. Are you enjoying this episode? Hope you can also check out our podcast where we talk about a bunch of stuff that we're currently into, our topic of the day, and we can also answer questions from you. Anything goes.
Anything Goes with Joe and Rika is available wherever you listen to podcasts, powered by Podcast Network Asia. Check us out after listening to this one.
And now back to the show.
Oh my goodness. Ito na,
What a lot.
question number 50.
Is
in
it-
the area of
Annoyances.
mga kabwisitan.
Kabwisitan. Number 50. If I have bad or
Oh my
body odor or wear
Parang hindi ko
dirty
ito
clothes,
natanong. Ay, nako.
will you tell
Oh
me?
my gosh, yes, I
Should
do.
I tell you? Why or why not? How should we do it?
I put it on your face and telling you I'm actually waking you up even to
Yeah.
brush your teeth. Ito si
Yeah.
Apple.
And floss.
Ay, never flosses.
I don't never floss. I
Just
just
never floss. You floss like once a year.
no go over. Pag may nafe-feel naman ako.
Kita mo yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo, hinahalikan pa rin kita kahit di ka nagpa-floss.
Oo. Uy, nag-toothbrush naman ako.
Alam ko
Flossing,
naman.
hindi naman ganun ka-regular. Kasi
Naalala ko,
tatanggal ka
alam
naman.
yung mga
eh.
langga. Siyempre no, nung nagde-date ka pa, hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin sa kanya yun, no?
Well, you didn't know that I didn't floss.
Wait, no, not that. You have to admit, we went for a date for a teeth cleaning.
Yeah.
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 Because I didn't want to
Oh my gosh. You're such... Ay, naku mga langga. Number 51.
You had
Eto
an
na.
imperfection
Eto
in your
na.
teeth and I'm
Eto
like,
na.
you know what? We should go for a teeth cleaning.
Sakto. Number 51. What is nagging? Do I nag? How does it make you feel? Kaloka.
Okay.
Number 52.
52. Do you approve without reservation in the way I dress?
Oh.
Good.
Number 53.
What does my family do that annoys you?
Oh, you and I are very open about this with each other. Eto
Shout out
naman.
sa mga family namin. Alam
I
mo.
love you. Number 54. Would it bother you if I made body noises all the time, like passing gas or burping? Why
Well,
is it?
This is your question.
Why is it that when men do it, it's fine? When women do it, for some reason, it's absurd.
No,
For
it's not
some
absurd.
reason,
Ka. It's just that yours is more potent than when he have. I don't know why. We have the same food that
Well,
we
it's because
eat.
your expectations of women are completely different. Anyways, number 55.
Yeah, didn't you
Is there
expect it?
anything you would do in your line of work that I would disapprove of or that would hurt me?
Wala naman siguro.
Wala naman.
Hindi pa naman ako ganun kasalbahe sa work eh.
Hindi nga eh. Minamarket po nga yung Instagram ng amo mo eh.
Follow nyo naman si boss ko.
Number 56.
Number 56, do you believe that you should stick with a marriage if you are unhappy all the time?
Oh, this is, this can have many levels, mga langga. You can take this way deeper. Number 57, when do you need space away from me?
Yeah.
When I don't brush my teeth properly?
When you burp.
Bleh.
Alam mo yung
Next
by the way, speaking of burp, nainis ako sa burp mo.
I don't know why it has
Yung
that
burp
sound.
niya kasi, walang sound ga.
I don't know why it comes out
You
like
burp,
that.
and then you blow it on my face.
It's just
You're like,
funny.
para siyang nag-i-smoke. Walang
Kasi so-
sound, pero binubuga niya sa mukha ko.
Because it's so funny to see.
Kita mo. Funny nga.
It's funny.
Okay.
Next category, communication.
Di pa ga.
Oo, langga.
Oo nga. 58 na pala tayo, sorry.
Apo. Ito nga, hindi
Communication.
kami
Ito mo din.
nagko-communicate.
Hindi namin sinusundan yung mga notes
Same na
namin.
nga yung binabasa
Ba yan?
namin eh. Hindi pa ako nagko-communicate. Number 58 na nga.
Whenever we have difficult feelings, parang feeling na, ang sarap ng feeling mo.
Ano daw?
Alam mo yung reviews ko, ang sarap ng feeling mo. Come on, fine, you don't know that joke.
I know
Whenever
reviews ko
we
though.
have difficult feelings about each other, should we, number 1, remain silent? 2, say something as soon as the difficult feelings arise? Number 3, wait a certain amount of time before raising the issue? Or number 4, do something else? If so, what?
Haba ng question. But actually, that is a very deep, like different levels and stuff like that.
Ano dapat yung gawin?
May isang section nga sa Symbis that just talks about communication. Number 59, if you always say you are going to do something but never do it, what is the most effective way to bring this problem to your attention?
Post it on Facebook. Like everyone, like majority of couples do.
Ay, oo. Diba? Number 60.
What did you admire about the way your mother and father treated each other?
Oh, this is nice. This is a nice question. Number 61. What is the best way for me to communicate difficult feelings about you so that you are not offended? I don't think you can really control how your other partner will feel, but it's best to always
Kasi
put...
that's what difficult feelings to eh. Minsan kinikim-kim na lang natin eh.
True.
So, pag-usapan nyo, paano pag may ganun?
Struggle ko yun, di ba?
Oo, so, parang ang hirap kasi sabihin. Minsan, kung alam makaka-offend sa kabilang party.
Number 62.
Who should know about the arguments we have?
Lahat. Kailangan i-post sa Facebook.
Involve mo silang lahat. Para may opinion lahat ng mga marites.
Totoo. Number 63.
What makes you not want to talk to me?
Pag hindi ako nagsisipilyo, kasi
Grabe.
nagbaburp ako tapos naamoy mo. Number 64. Do you feel you could communicate with me under any circumstance and about any subject?
Oo naman. Oo.
Hindi. Pag nasa banyo ka
Hindi.
tapos...
Kahit nasa banyo ako, minsan nag-uusap pa rin tayo ng kung ano eh.
tapos sasabihin mo,
Gana-
pwede
ga-
mamaya.
gana- ano mo na ba yung
Can
ano?
I just have my own space?
One
man
time,
lang?
nagtatanong siya, ano bang kailangan natin for grocery? Pwede ba to? Itong time lang na to? Hindi ako makakonsentrate eh. Ganon kami mga langga.
Nako. Next category. Category of finance.
Yan, favorite natin yan.
Number 65.
65, what justifies going into debt? 0% ba yan?
0% interest with...
Kaya ba natin bayaran yan full in the month end? Good debt ba yan? Meron ba yung kikitain?
Or maybe you're buying a home.
Exactly.
We need mortgage for that,
Yung
right?
mga gadgets natin dito sa podcast.
Ay, bad na to, diba?
Kailan ba mag-ROI ito mga tao?
Parang hindi. Bayad naman siya, pero wala pang araw.
Oh, meron na ga. May tracker ako. Please check it out.
I will check. Number 66. What are all your current personal debts?
Oo, bago kayo ikasal, nasabi na natin to sa pod, di ba?
Oo.
Sinabi mo sa akin na you took out a loan. So, okay lang ba sa akin na dadalhin mo to sa marriage natin? Sabi ko, okay lang. Sige lang. Tapos so nakita ko, oh, yes, sige. Okay lang.
Number 67.
Do you feel stressed when facing financial problems?
Oh, who doesn't, right?
Yep.
But number 68, how do you deal with that stress?
Okay. How often do you use credit cards and what do you buy with them? We do. We know. Moving forward.
And number 70, how should we prepare for a financial emergency?
Yan, kami,
Yan yung maganda.
we're targeting 6 to 9 months worth of living expenses. That's our full fund. So, yun.
But it doesn't take 6 to 7 months to save up. So it takes longer, mga langga.
Yeah.
Number 71, do you feel that lack of money is a good reason
Number
not...
70.
No, 71.
Ah,
langga.
71, sorry.
Do you feel
Communication.
that... True. Do you feel that lack of money is a good reason not to have children?
For us, when we had children, mas nagkaroon kami ng drive to excel. And because of that, nagkaroon ng increase in income.
True. And Jeric and I also are firm believers that with every child comes a blessing.
Yan.
Although you also have the will, the intellect, the grace given by God for you to be able to plan.
Oo naman. Hindi naman pwedeng tawag lang ng laman. Tapos isipin na lang natin.
Call of the inside.
Well, hindi. Call of the flesh.
Laman ni.
Laman. Laman is also flesh.
Oh, okay, fine.
Ito na naman tayo. Kaya episode 100 na tayo ha. Nagtatranslate pa rin ako.
Number 72. When our child is born, will he or she go to daycare? Or will one of us stay home to take care of the child? We've had many conversations about this before as well.
At 73, mahalaga, who will stay? Diba? Wala palang bantay, no? Iniwan mula sa daycare
Pero
o
we
kaya
are so,
sa
you know,
bahay.
even if we were in a pandemic, I'm so grateful that my company has allowed us to work from home. So I'm with the kids at home and still being able to earn income for our family. Number 74.
Will we have a budget? We always have a budget. Every month, it's a different budget and we base it on our tracking the previous month.
True. Number 75.
Who will pay the bills?
Same. Depends on whose sweldo comes in first.
Yeah, we have allocations kung sino magbabayad ng telepono, kuryente, bahay.
True. Number 76. How do you feel about helping me pay my debts?
I did feel that we were a team when we were paying off our debts.
Especially because we spoke about it just before we got married.
Oo, hindi naman ako blindside eh.
Truth. Number 77. What are your feelings about saving money?
It feels great to be able to, to be able to have, ang tawag nga namin sa savings namin, POM, Peace of Mind account. Yeah.
Number 78. What are your thoughts when it comes to investing money?
It's, it takes time
Truth.
to get used to it.
Truth.
But,
Especially for me because I started later than you, right?
yeah, but the fruits of it happens afterwards. You will see it.
Ito naman, 79. Do you prefer separate bank accounts or assets in different names and
No.
why?
Combine tayo eh.
Personally,
Kami.
I prefer na for us, in the way how our dynamics work, I prefer na mag-isa lang kami. But because of the state that we are in, we live in a different country and the rules are different. Because of that, the bank accounts
Okay.
are of a
Legality-wise, yes,
legality-wise, yes.
separate kami, pero we both have access to each account.
Yes, there's a
So parang
complete
for me,
transparent.
isa lang.
Parang same.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
isa
still transparent and visible to both of us.
Exactamento.
Wow, we're in our last section, our last category.
Thank you mga langga for medyo mabilis tong episode na to, medyo parang rat-ratan, pero thank
What's
you.
your rat-ratan?
Rat-ratan is like, when you're rushing.
So these are random questions. And I
Miscellaneous.
wonder how the langga would answer this, right? I mean, let us know, huh? Number 80.
How would you rank all the priorities in your life? Work, school, family, spouse, friends, hobbies, and church. Does your ranking reflect the amount of time you spend on each?
Ouch. Number 81. Are you closer to your mother or your father?
Why?
And why?
Number
Interesting.
82 is, do you prefer to a set daily work schedule or flexible work activities and timetables?
I thought I would do a set work schedule, but then with kids and working from home, flexibility seems to be more of how I work now. Number 83.
What do you fear?
Physical fear.
Maraming fears, no? Physical, financial, emotional, dami yan. Discuss nyo yan.
For me, birds. Number 84. Please do not bring birds near me.
Yeah.
Number 84. What influence, if any, do you believe my family should have on our relationship? Jeric and I believe that families, when you marry someone, you marry into their family as well, but
but you set
also
boundaries.
set boundaries. Number 85.
Do you believe that our parents should know our financial condition, whether good or bad, just because they want to?
Again, boundaries.
Boundaries.
Boundaries. Which is basically question number 86. How far should this go?
Number 87, do you have unspoken vows?
Sometimes we don't even know that we have an unspoken vow until the situation comes up, no?
Yung unspoken vow, again, sa mga nakikinig lang for the first time, ito yung mga vow na hindi mo natupad nung lumalaki ka sa iyong pamilya na you wanted to happen in your marriage. Kunyari, hindi ka nabili ng maraming damit noon. Babawiin mo ngayon pag kinasal ka na. Those are unspoken vows. Sample lang yan. How would you react? Number 88, 88. How would you react if our son or daughter told us they were gay?
Interesting conversation. Number 89. Do you harbor any racial prejudice?
What is that? What is racial prejudice, Langga?
When you have preset thoughts or opinions of someone of a different race or
True.
ethnicity from you,
True.
it's fascinating, okay? You may think it's minor, but it may actually bother your partner. Number 90. How do you feel about living abroad?
Yes, you have to ask that. Also, kasi, paano kung gusto nyo mag-relocate? Di lang kayo sa Pilipinas or sa kung anong bansa kayo nandyan ngayon. Maybe you wanna, transfer countries. Are you willing to leave behind the life you have right now?
Random fact about Jeric and I, when we started dating, when we were going to get married and talking about, we originally thought that we were going to save up like 90% of our sweldo for one whole year, then resign, and then literally just go backtracking around the world. But then things changed. I don't regret any of them, but things change.
Not really backpacking, we will be missionaries.
Same, right?
No, we're gonna live on houses. We're not backpacking. You wanna be full-time. You wanna discover like full-time.
Let's see what... Well, yeah, but then you never know, right?
Yeah.
But then if we did that, maybe Joseph and Zaylee wouldn't have come around. So, number 91.
Is there anyone close to you who feels we should not get married? Why should this marites be
Part of this
contrapelo?
conversation. Why should this marites be part of your conversation anyways? Number 92. Oh, this is major.
What health problems do you have? Because of this question, we did a
We had
date
one date.
na nagpa-executive check-up kami dalawa.
Nakakaloka.
Buong araw.
Kahit stool test kasama.
Doon ko
Nakakaloka.
napatunayan na mahal talaga ako ni Apple kasi gusto niya malaman kung anong sitwasyon ng katawan niya.
Yeah, and that's where I found out that he had certain things that I had to be concerned about.
Like what? Mataas yung uric acid ko.
Oo. Pero mahilig ka sa karne. Kaya, it was interesting. Number 93, have you ever had any psychological problems?
Yeah, I did have. I told Apple na baliw ako sa kanya.
Hawak ng hair ko, te. Abot dun sa
Pakicheck
pako.
yung ano ko, ha?
Add to cart. Mamaya na, ha? Pagkatapos ng recording. Number 94, when you are in a bad mood, how should I deal with it? Give you food.
True.
Give you space.
Yeah.
Talk to you later.
Number 95, do you like pets?
Yes.
No. Number 96, what food do you like the most? Yan, ito na mga miscellaneous na to. Pero syempre, kailangan alamin mo din kung anong, di ba? Hindi mo alam, kinasal na kayo, hindi mo pa alam yung pagluluto mo or kung anong kakainin nyo.
Ako naging mission ko talaga na, I don't know why, because I enjoy cooking and I enjoy cooking for the people I love. So one of the, syempre, Jeric is my husband. And one of the things I really wanted to do was to be able to create a home where my husband and my children would love coming home to eat. Kaya, yun, I love that question. Number 97, what books do you read?
Or what music? Pwede na, sige, lagay na lang natin dyan, what music do you
Or
listen
what music
to?
do you listen to?
What podcast do you listen to? Do you listen to Langaspix Podcast? If you're not listening to Langaspix Podcast, you're not serious with Langga,
Over. Number 98, what movies do you like watching?
Yeah, correct.
Completely random mga langga.
MCU.
During the final days of our quarantine, Jeric and I actually binge watched the entire Hawkeye series in one night. That was one of the rare nights with kids where it's like, that's 6 episodes of Hawkeye. And it was
True.
really good, huh? Super
I didn't
good.
know that you were into MCU, to be honest. You're more of the Lord of the Rings and, Lord of the Rings type of person. Number 99. Do you like the friends I surround myself with?
Uy, random Sa Simbis, diba? May section nga dun yung context. Yung mga umaaligid sa relationship nyo.
Oo, kailangan alamin niya yung mutual friends nung boyfriend mo. Or mutual friends nyo.
And to be honest
yung
din.
friends niya, friends mo.
And to be honest din.
Oo, to be honest.
Kung whether gusto mo sila o hindi. Kasi whether or not na parang major or minor, it can affect kasi the relationship later on.
Truth.
Diba?
Truth.
Kasi,
Oo.
ito na mga langga. Ito na yung pinaka.
Do you like the friends I surround myself with? Grabe, no? Ang ano.
Ay,
Number
sorry,
100.
may comment ka pa pala.
Ayun, nag-iisip lang ako.
Number 100, the last one.
When do you feel closest to God? Kasi pwede magkaiba kayo ng way of relating to God. Maybe isa sa inyo, you feel closest to God when you're journaling.
Oo.
Or
yung iba sa nature.
yung iba sa small group.
Or yung iba sa mga devotions, mga rituals, mga
Bible
ganyan.
reading.
Oo. So, it really matters and to be aware of how your partner feels closest to God. Not only para mas makilala mo siya, pero also para masuportahan mo din siya in helping them grow in their personal
At
relationship.
ikaw din, supportahan niya. Kumbaga, you take turns na
True.
may mga moment na sa kanya, tsaka may moment kayo na sa'yo. Diba? Para both of you will have those times na closest kayo with the Lord.
True.
And of course, that will also cascade towards your future children.
True. So mga langga, did you like the list? Were there any questions there na you never thought of asking before?
Medyo compressed to, pero sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming super rat-ratan mode.
Rat-rasan mode? Rat-rasan. What's rat in daga-dagaan mode?
Ay,
Over.
nako. 100th episode na po, mga kapuso. Nahirapan pa rin po mag-punchline si Apple.
Okay, tumawa ko naman din Sobrang supportive mo. Salamat langga ha.
Yeah.
Pero mga langga, thank you for sticking around and supporting our little podcast over the past.
What question do you think would impact your relationship currently? So please do, send us a message. We'll love to hear from you.
langaspeaks@gmail.com or check us out on Instagram, check us out on Facebook, or even TikTok.
And of course, this is our 100th episode. Hindi ko na patatagalin pang humingi din sa inyo ng suporta if you found amazing entertainment, value, lesson, and wisdom. Please feel free to send us a coffee on
buymeacoffee.com/langga. LANGGA.
buymeacoffee.com/langga. It's on the show notes. Hope to see you next week. Hear from you next week. Or hear from you after this episode. This is me, Jeric.
And this is Apple.
Always reminding you,
Napalangga ka sang
Diyos. So, langga yung labada.
Oo nga. Baka magising mga bata.
Grabe yung labada natin. 11:30 na.
Oh, that's how...
Tsaka magluto ka na nung instant noodles, please.
Ikaw talaga. Because of you na parami yung mga...
Cheese, ano yun? Cheese, Korean,
cheese ramen.
The views and opinions expressed by the podcast creators, hosts, and guests do not necessarily reflect the official policy and position of Podcast Network Asia, the hosts of the program, or other programs of the network. Any content provided by the people on the podcast are of their own opinion and are not intended to malign any religion, ethnic group, club, organization, company, individual, or anyone or anything.